I'm back. It's been a long time, but I'll get into that in another video. But anyway, I wanted to come to you with an unboxing and review for Kinkistry hair clip-ons. So I've been natural for a very long time. And before I begin, I want to let you know that I have my kid and my dog here, so it's the first time that I'm doing a video with them both awake. I had to bribe her with a vitamin C lollipop, so let's hope that she keeps up her end of the bargain. Anytime you leave the city, no matter so anyway, I've been natural for a long time. I want to say maybe 8 years, but I don't have hang time because I'm the type of person that likes to manipulate my hair in different styles every 2 weeks. But after I had my kid, I got lazy with my hair, so I was trying to look for more protective styling or braids, anything that was going to keep my hands out of my head because I have no patience to do my hair anymore. However, lately I've been loving my natural hair, and I've been loving all the natural hair styles that I've been doing on my hair, and I wanted to continue doing that, but I didn't want to touch my hair as much. So I want to try less manipulation of my hair because my hair is a little fine. You may not be able to tell, but it's very sensitive, it's very fine. So I saw these clip-ins, and I've been thinking about Kinkistry for a while. And I've been looking for videos, but it's very hard to find a video of Kinkistry that isn't already sponsored or was 2 or 3 years ago. So I saw this girl on one of the reels that had a beautiful curl pattern that looked like mine, and I was like, I'm gonna try it. So I tried it. It came in the mail just yesterday, so I had to hurry up and throw this video together so I could show you guys. So I'll do a little bit more talking, but let's open up the package. So I also ordered from Kinkistry, and it came kind of like this, but I ordered their mist sprayer. I was going to get this at Amazon, but I saw it on their website, so I ended up getting it. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if I can even see. So it says Kinkistry, no curl left behind, and you guys know, or some people know. Is there water already in here? Ew! What? Or maybe they were testing it. Y'all, there's wood already in here. But what? I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to clean this out. Maybe they were testing it, but there's water already in here for some reason. But I love the spray, the continuous spray for me and my daughter's natural hair. So I'm gonna take a look at that. So the other thing, I'm just making a mess. The other thing that came in here, let's see. I didn't even open it. Okay, I got the hair here. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. Let's see. My packing slip, of course. You know, everybody always comes with a care instruction card. I'm not gonna get into that. And that's it. That's all that came in it. But look at this. Look at this bag. Look at this. It says Kinkistry, no curl left behind. It has their website, all their social medias. I think you guys can see it. I don't know. Like I said, I just threw this video together really quick, so I hopefully you guys can see that. It's a silk bag. I guess you can store your hair in here because it keeps your hair really nice. I got the 20 inches. And this is how it came. And I got 18 inches. So let's take a look at the 20-inch bag. So again, this is the bag. Thank you. This is, oh, wait, don't touch this. Sorry. Okay, calm down. My daughter is trying to hand me these earrings. Side note, I went on Shein and bought a million pair of earrings because everything's like $1 or $2. But I'll save that for another video if you guys want to see that. Don't touch the table. So let's open this. She's doing so well, everyone. So again, it comes in a bag like this. This is the 20-inch, and they're the clip-ins. So it comes up like this. This looks, oh my gosh, this looks just like my hair when it's dry. Hold on one second. Remember your promise. You would be quiet for the lollipop. So you got to be quiet while I'm filming. Thanks. Okay. So let's unwrap this. $20 Now on their website, they do say that it's 20 inches stretched. So if you want it to be curly and longer, you might want a longer inches. Like they have 24, 26. I don't know how far they go up. So this is what the hair looks like. Has little snag pieces. Here goes the clips. I'm sorry. Hopefully this is in focus. I don't know. Everybody does this. Does that help? But anyway, here goes the clips. And they come with 7 pieces, it says. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting shorter the higher you go up. 5, 6, 7. So I guess this is for the front of your hair. Cute. So I got 20 inches. I do want to wash this hair first before I try it. But, okay, I didn't even address this yet. I know I look crazy, right? I look crazy. That's because first of all, I've been trying to figure out how to keep my hair underneath in a protected style, but I would still be able to moisturize my hair, wash my hair without manipulating it as much. So I did really tiny braids in the back with a tiny bit of a twist. You see? So they're braids and then a twist. So I have a lot of shrinkage, a lot of shrinkage. So I'm probably gonna braid these down in the back. But I didn't know how much hair I was going to get, how much hair was going to be on my head. So I decided that even though this matches my natural hair, that I wanted more of a definition. And so I did flat twists in the front coming down. And I'll take those out. They're still a little wet. But you can twist these and leave them sit. You can wash it and everything like that. So I'm going to wash these and but I do have somewhere to go, so I don't know if I'm gonna do a full routine on these. I may come back and do that later, but I'll come back and install them and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, bye. Whoops. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, my kid is sleeping, so I'm not gonna be too loud. My dog is snoring, so hopefully you can't hear that in the background. But I did put a tiny bit of makeup on. I mean, I'm saying a tiny bit of makeup, but I mean, I always try to do something a little natural and go a little too far. Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. So I washed the hair with these 2 products from Mielle. I love the pomegranate and honey. It's perfect for my hair texture. So I wanted to hurry up and use this because once it's out, I can buy the shampoo to this. My store didn't have the shampoo to that, but that's what I washed it with. I washed that hair with it. I usually wash my hair with it. And to seal my hair, I used Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. I love this for my hair. I love this. And then I used Aunt Jackie's don't shrink. Yeah, I use that. And oh, I have chibi oil. I think that's how you pronounce it. You know, the clay that the tribe in Africa puts on their hair to help preserve their hair. Well, anyway, this girl in our local farmers market, she makes the chibi oil for your hair. So I sealed my hair with that. Amazing. It gives me shine. I don't know if you guys can see the shine on this. Can you see the shine? It's the shine for me. Okay, the shine. So let's get into it. So like I said, you can twist this hair and everything, but I washed it. So this is the hair texture. It's the same, but it's a little more stretched out. I did have a little shedding Sorry, it still has shampoo and stuff in it. That's the shedding that I had. Not a lot. I did start washing it and detangling it with this brush, which seemed to give more shedding. So I just finger detangled. So yeah, it wasn't too bad. It's nice and soft. So I'm going to go ahead with the 20 inches first. And I'm going to go in afterwards with this. This is my favorite cream to use. This is by African Pride, Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil. It's my favorite oil to put on curly hair. Wash and goes. My all-time favorite. I went ahead and rinsed this out, and I'm gonna use this to wet it a little before I put the cream on, because the cream to me works better when your hair is a little damp. So let me show you what I did to the back with my mini braids. I don't know what it looks like, so hopefully it looks okay. So I'm just gonna clip my hair on there. I'm gonna start with, let's see, the medium. Yeah, I'll start with this one. Or is this longer? I'll start with the longer one. So you guys know how to use clips. Open it, open it, open it, slide your hair through here and close it. I don't know if that's the best one to use because it doesn't go all the way across. Let me see, does the longer one work better? That's too long. Or maybe if I go up. Okay, I'm gonna use the longer one first. Okay. Ooh, I'm loving the length. And I just realized that this looks a lot more like my hair, and I probably should have just left my hair the way just out naturally. But I wanted some curl to it, so I might have to pin the front back. I may even end up putting put clips on top of the hair, just so. Ooh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, forgot to open it. I wonder if it's giving me problems. Coming together. Now I'm going to move to, no, I have 2 more long pieces of 20-inch before I move on. No, I'm gonna do the 18-inch. Do the 18 inches. Oh, I think I'm waking my kid up. Gotta be quiet. More of the 18 inches. Okay, hold on. Is this open or closed? Oh, it's closed. I'm loving this so far. I think I am. I'm gonna just cover this hair. Yeah. Look at that. I didn't even unravel this and it already matches. Yeah, I might leave those as is. Oh man, should I do I might do a side part? That would be fun. Okay, my camera cut off for some reason. But anyway, this is what I got going on. I did say that I wanted to bring both pieces back and I completely forgot. So yeah, I messed up the, what is it called? The flat twist, and just added water to my hair and brushed it through with some gel to make it match. So I know the top looks kind of crazy, but I have somewhere to go. This is what it looks like. I think my next style, I'm going to flat twist the hair so it gives it some more curls, because this is a little too, I like the fro look, but just not for what I'm trying to go for right now. So I think I'm gonna flat twist it, but this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to come back with a different style, but I think it's good enough for where I need to go for later. Yeah. And I'm going to the Mommy and Block. Yes, if anybody knows what that is, I scored tickets to Mommy and Block, which is in the DMV area. That's in about 2 weeks or something, and this is the hair I want to wear. So I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to do a slick back bun, a slick back with the fro out, or try to do some kind of fro, like curly fro. So hopefully I'll keep you guys in touch, in tune to what I got going on. And I think that's everything. Here goes the mist spray if you guys want to see what that looks like. I think I showed you earlier. Yeah, I might take this with me to add a little something. So I will say this hair seems to be a little high maintenance. If you don't, I love doing natural hair. So you can clip this in and just leave it like the fro, but this hair is like doing your regular hair. Do the twist if you want to do the twist. Add moisture to it to keep it, juicy looking. You don't want it to look dry, but yeah, I like it. I love it. Yeah, next time I might need to try one of their wigs. But I like the versatility of the clips because I want to do like updos, side buns, maybe 2 puffs, like, because you can move the clips around. So yeah, I love the clip idea. So love it. And I still got my twist in. Wave bye.